Good morning, good morning. It sure is another beautiful day in the Lord that He's given to us, given to me. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. It's a little bit windy today, but it feels so good out here. Feels like the winds are coming out of the east. It's such a blessing to have such a beautiful day. Can you hear the wind? I love that. I love to hear the wind. It's one of my favorite things. I am finishing up my coffee. Getting me some vitamin D from Mr. Sun. Is quite windy, but it feels good. It's not chilly at all. It's perfect. This is my kind of temperature, my kind of weather. So yesterday was Saturday, Shabbat, and today begins a new week. And so far, it looks like it's starting out perfect. So grateful, so thankful for things like this. The little things that the Lord gives me every day to sustain me. A beautiful day, nice temperatures, nature, the wind. Watch, look at the leaves fall over there from the wind. I don't know if you can see that. The leaves are falling off the trees. Doesn't feel like autumn. Maybe it's Indian summer. What are y'all doing? Hannah, Sadie, are y'all playing? Those two are inseparable. Jealous of each other, but inseparable. Oh, there's Mr. Hawk, I think. I have a hawk around here. Seems like everywhere I've lived I've had a hawk. And that's a good sign. I think it's a good sign. Go ahead, get it out of your system. I don't know if that is a hawk up there or what. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see him? No. There are ladybugs everywhere. I mean everywhere. Flying around from the trees, and I think they're going into hibernation. I noticed that you might be able to see a little bit of them. The stuff flying around, that's ladybugs. So I think they're going into hibernation, because whenever I come out here, I see them all over the place. They are getting up into the windows, out in the shed, the barn, in the doorways. They're just trying to find a little nook and cranny to hibernate. I always thought of ladybugs being good luck, especially if one lands on you. At least that's what I was told growing up. You know, just stuff that you hear your grandparents tell you. And I've always loved ladybugs. I like dragonflies too. So anyhow, well, I'm gonna finish up my coffee and sit here a little bit. I'm gonna do some grounding, because it makes me feel so much better when I come outside and it's a cool day like this and the sun's not overbearing. But it makes me feel really good. It helps my aches and pains. Brings me so much joy. You know, you really don't need to leave your home. to experience nature, because it can be in your backyard. Healing effects of nature. Just one of many things that our Heavenly Father designed to be this way. Alright, y'all have a blessed day today, and I will talk to y'all soon.